Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical compatibility. M2 versus PCIe adapter and NVMe key type, because electrical lanes and sizes matter. Once done, power down and ground yourself to avoid static damage. Next, open the case, remove any obstruction, and insert the NVMe module at an angle or mount the adapter into a free PCIe X4 slot. Make sure the module locks or screw secures it. This avoids contact issues and ensures the drive will be recognized at boot. With the hardware seated, boot into BIOS to tell the system how to talk to the new drive. First, update the BIOS if needed. Later BIOS revisions often add NVMe support and prevent detection problems. Once updated, enable NVMe or PCIe storage support and set relevant storage mode to OSI or NVMe as required. Then adjust boot order to prefer the NVMe if you plan to install an OS. Save and reboot to confirm the motherboard. Seize the drive in its device list. Finish by installing or cloning your operating system to the NVMe, because that delivers the speed benefit. Once booted, initialize and partition the drive in disk management, then format and assign a letter. Load NVMe drivers if the OS asks for them. If the drive doesn't appear, power down and reseat the module or move the adapter to another PCIe slot, and make sure BIOS and chipset drivers are current. One key troubleshooting tip: test the NVMe in another system or adapter to isolate whether the board.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.